Round of Light by SoulSpark. This is an epic adventure game where this goose takes on some gods. Oh, a new visitor, is it? Welcome to the Round of Light. A place to pray for brighter days. But you're not here to pray, are you? Yes, I sense a will of battle inside you. You better not be planning to fight her, the light goddess. You're definitely planning to fight her. Well, go ahead, meet your demise, and let the light consume you. I love the dialogue in this game. Not only does it look epic and beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna take out the child first. Battle the child first. Child of the sun. Looking cool. In this game, you gotta be quick. Move around. You want to collect the little particles. You get 40 of them, and then you can do an attack. Basically, just like stick and move. One thing to keep in mind is the jump button. Once you jump, you have to wait like 1-2 seconds before you can jump again. Dodge here. Just get in between the projector. Watch out for the child of the sun. The character has like a dash effect. Yep, so you get 40 particles and then you can attack. You want to be close to the enemy. You got a decent amount of health. And yeah, just squeeze in between. Stay alive. Try to get 40 particles. Watch out for that dash because that is painful. Jump and move, attack. Not sure what's going on here. Okay, so stay away from the edges, and looks like we're going into a final battle stage. Okay, so we got 40 particles ready to attack. There we go. Collect, stick, and move. Staying in between. Okay, something's about to happen. And cool. Stay safe. Slow movements, and get ready to attack when we can. There we go. And here we just keep moving as these rays of light are coming to try to hit us. Ready to attack, and we took them down. First boss, done. I love the dialogue here. You defeated the child of the sun. Few people have ever gotten this far. You have earned her respect. But still, she respects the goddess more. Just like the god who you are about to meet. Admittedly, I have never met in person the god of the round. And I am glad so. The god only shows up to those who pose a threat. Coincidentally, I sense you two are about to meet. Get ready, little goose, and let the light consume you. Love the dialogue SoulSpark does. Not only does this world look amazing, so we tap on the icon to the right to get the next boss. And this dude, notice the background has changed to a dark color. And same kind of principle, we gotta collect the particles. And watch out not to land where the missiles are gonna land. So this is really cool because it's basically shooting in 3D. It looks like it's shooting from up to down. Oh, and then they got laser beam. So multiple new attacks we gotta watch out for. And remember the jump. Once you jump, you have to wait a couple seconds to jump again. Collect 40 particles to do an attack. Basically just stick and move and then jump. That's kind of a little bit tricky, those jump waves. The particles behind those waves look really cool. They're like little smoke particles. And yeah, great use of particles throughout this battle. And watch out for those like ninja star things on the corners. So I would say the biggest thing is keeping an eye on, ooh, that just super laser beam blast. Keeping an eye on getting the 40 particles to attack, and then just keeping your health up. I feel like if you stay in one place for too long, it'll be the end of you. So just keep moving. Love these effects. And it's meant to wear you down. That just looks cool. You can see that it's in 3D. You know, they're shooting down, they're up, and you just gotta move around this arena, stay alive. We can get a couple more. Okay, just wait for it, and there we go. Taking this dude down. 2 bosses down, 1 to go. And so the god of the round has fallen. The god is not truly dead. The energy gives her life. Strike her down, however, and this entire place is gone. Goose, do not forget the light. It is the light that brought you this far in the first place. Well, I have begged enough. Goodbye, Goose. I must hide from her light. The light that blinds shows at the same time. I hope the light does not let you consume it. Love the dialogue. SoulSpark has lots of great games and fun, witty, serious dialogue. And so this is cool right here. The light goddess. Love this intro. I feel like we're watching a movie or something. So these are like evil paper airplanes. You just got to be quick and move and then jump here. So we've seen this before, but now there's a little trick that you can do where you just jump in the middle like this. Notice the UI health bar. This was in all the other boss levels too, but yeah, it's just well done. You can see how many hit points are left, who you're battling, and here's just you just got to be slow and patient and not walk into the light, because the light will kill you. And so we got 200 particles. We did a lot of damage. Our health is back up. So that's the upside to here, is that if you can stay alive, your health will refresh. But yeah, this is just a lot of moving and okay. And jump. Watch out for this dude. Keep jumping and moving. Got evil rays of light trying to attack you. And we got the 200 particles and doing damage. Alright, the music has gotten serious. So this is tough. Move, jump, stay still. Kind of a mixed combo of both, all while trying to collect the particles. We're at like 100-ish. So what? Oh crap. Okay. Stay alive. Health is very low. Let's not look at that. Focus. And boom. Made it like a black hole. Took out the light, and we took out the boss. And it's cool because it looks like we've destroyed this temple. Congratulations, Goose. You have topped the round. I wonder what your goals were with this, but who am I to question the God Slayer? That's a cool name. I do not have a place for my own fate. I was left homeless. I am here only to mourn. Now what are you here for, O God Slayer? This place is done for without her. Arg. She is no more. You are the new God. You are the God Slayer. Love the story. It's a lot going on. This Goose goes on epic adventures. That was Round of Light by SoulSpark, who makes great games on hypehype. Check him out. If you like this kind of video, like, subscribe, and until next time, I'm Hypesy. Stay safe out there, and peace.